Namaskar. Constipation is a very, very common problem, and people usually feel that when person is constipated, person should take some medicine, either Ayurveda or allopathy or homeopathy. But yoga doesn't talk like that. Why should your body function in a particular way? For some reason. Main reason is lack of hydration, water. Person must drink a big glass of warm water in the morning and at night also a glass of water. And in between also a glass of lemon juice would work wonders. Second, fibers should be sufficient, and so a big plate of fruits and vegetables must go into our system. And if this happens, person will never feel constipated. Another thing, some exercises are required for constipation to see that you never have constipation. And these things you should do right in the morning. Certain exercises person should do very regularly. It should be in your habit that the moment you wake up, you should be doing something right in your bed. Focus on your abdomen rather than switching on your mobile. Forget about the world. First focus on yourself, and body would really give you a good service. So now, certain exercises, in that one exercise of course is sitting, which we are showing first, but you could do it later on. And here it is, which is called as Ardha Matsyendrasana. So here you are crossing your leg in this fashion and pressing your knee, holding your toe in that fashion and twisting. Here your entire thigh muscle, and then that gets pressed on stomach, and person is breathing normally here for half a minute, and person should come back in the normal variation. So this is one, and you should do with next leg. One exercise later on when you are used to doing asanas, you should do this. But now lying down exercises. The moment you get up, you should be taking 1 or 2 long breaths. Feel that now you have to start your day with full zest, enthusiasm, and then you do this, what she has shown. Lie down on your stomach and lift your head up while inhaling. Very, very popular asana, which is called as Bhujangasana, cobra pose. So staying in this position for some time, come back. The other side of the body, and that is legs and the lower back, is exercised by Shalabhasana. So here you have to lift your leg up and come back to normal position. So you are giving a good exercise on your lower abdomen, pressing another leg, pressing your lower abdomen. So your peristaltic movement in your intestines start very easily, and with both the legs. So that's it. This is second exercise. Lying down on stomach itself helps very much. Before eating food, if you lie down on your stomach and then eat food, that would help you very much. Now the third variation, lie down on your back and do what is called as Bhadrasana. So here again you will notice a very good exercise of your lower back and abdomen. So in this position you do pranayam number 4. That is, inhale, breathe your abdomen up, exhale, bring it down. Just focus on this. You could lie down even with crossed legs, Sukhasana, and do the same. Inhale and exhale. You should lie down in folding your legs at knee level, pranayam number 4 level, and inhale and exhale. So these are a few leg movements. With that, focus on your abdomen and your muscles are going to function well. Your small intestine, large intestine, they will do a good job, and constipation would never be there. So for more such do-it-yourself videos, please follow Midday. Namaskar.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.